In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Bitbucket branch. Whether you're streamlining your project, cleaning up after a successful merge, or simply trying to manage ongoing work, knowing how to delete a branch in Bitbucket is an essential skill for any developer. So, let's dive in and walk through the steps together, ensuring a smooth and easy process. First, you'll want to navigate to the right repository. So, log into your Bitbucket account with your credentials. Once you're logged in, locate and select the specific repository that contains the branch you intend to delete. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for everything that follows. Your repositories can be accessed from the main dashboard or using the search function if you have many to sift through. Once you've opened your repository, look towards the left sidebar. Here, you'll see various options for managing your project. Among these, you'll find Branches. Go ahead and click on Branches to access the list of all existing branches in this particular repository. It's in this section where you can manage your different branches and make any necessary changes. Now, it's time to locate the specific branch you want to delete. As you scroll through the list, you might see both active and inactive branches, depending on your project's structure and progress. It's important to ensure you've identified the correct branch before proceeding with deletion, so take a moment to verify that you're working with the right one. This step can save you a lot of hassle in the long run. Once you've found the branch, it's time to delete it. To do this, you'll notice an Actions button next to each branch name. This button is often represented by 3 dots, signifying additional options. Click on this Actions button next to your chosen branch. A drop-down menu will appear, offering you various actions you can perform on the branch. From this drop-down menu, you'll want to select the Delete Branch option. When you click on that, Bitbucket will prompt you to confirm your decision. This additional confirmation step is there to ensure you're certain about removing the branch, as this action cannot be undone directly from this menu. If you're sure you want this branch gone, go ahead and confirm the deletion, and just like that, the branch is removed from your repository. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process of deleting a Bitbucket branch. This is a simple yet important task, and mastering it will help you keep your repositories organized and streamlined. Remember, managing branches effectively can greatly impact the clarity and efficiency of your project's development cycle. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!